Bestie, if your hands look older than your face, dry, wrinkly, rough, or just tired, this two-ingredient mix can literally change that overnight. And I do not mean social media overnight. I mean you wake up and actually feel the difference the moment you touch your hands. Softer, smoother, less tight, less paper-like. Because right now, most people are out here buying expensive hand creams, fancy scrubs, anti-aging treatments, and nothing really changes. Not because those products are bad, but because they are missing one critical thing: protection. Your hands age faster than almost any other part of your body. They get washed more. They get exposed to sun more. They get stripped more. They get ignored more. And nobody talks about it. We obsess over our faces. We baby our necks. We buy serums for everything. And then we wonder why our hands look 10 years older than we feel. If your hands have been looking crepey, if they feel thin, if they look dry no matter what you apply, if they make you feel older than you actually are, this is for you. And no, it is not complicated. It is not trendy. It is not expensive. It is not another 10-step routine. It is just olive oil and Vaseline. And the way this combo works on your skin is different. Not temporary, not cosmetic, not surface level. It actually supports your skin the way aging skin needs to be supported. So if you are tired of hiding your hands, tired of feeling self-conscious, tired of trying things that do nothing, stay with me, because this one actually makes sense. Why olive oil works. Olive oil is not just some random kitchen ingredient people randomly started using on skin. It is actually one of the closest matches to your skin's natural oils. That is why your skin recognizes it. It does not panic. It does not resist. It does not try to push it away. It blends in instead of fighting your skin. And that matters more than people realize. Because aging skin does not need more shock. It does not need harshness. It does not need another aggressive product. It needs comfort. It needs familiarity. It needs support. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that help rebuild what time, soap, weather, and sun slowly break down. Every hand wash, every sanitizer, every cold day, every hot day, every exposure, it all adds up. And olive oil helps bring balance back. It helps soften stiff, dry skin, improve flexibility, reduce that tight, cracked feeling, support natural repair, smooth, rough texture, restore that supple feel hands used to have. So instead of your skin feeling like it is constantly under attack, it finally gets a break. It is like giving your hands a deep breath after holding it in for years. Basically, olive oil tells your skin, you are safe now. You can relax. You do not have to fight so hard. And when skin feels safe, it releases tension. It softens naturally. It becomes more flexible. It looks smoother. It feels healthier. Not because you forced it, but because you supported it. Why Vaseline is important. Here's the mistake most people make. They moisturize, and then they walk away. And an hour later, their hands feel dry again, tight again, rough again. So they assume, my skin just doesn't hold moisture anymore. But that's not the truth. The truth is, hydration without protection doesn't last. Most creams add softness. They add slip. They make your hands feel nice for a moment, but they don't seal anything. Vaseline isn't a moisturizer. It's a protector. It doesn't try to feed your skin. It guards what your skin already has. It doesn't add water. It locks it in. Think of your skin like a glass of water. If you leave it uncovered, it slowly evaporates, even if you refill it again and again. But put a lid on it, now it stays. That's what Vaseline does. Without a seal, all that moisture escapes. With Vaseline, it stays where it belongs. This is why it works so well for aging skin. Because aging skin doesn't just lose moisture. It loses the ability to hold moisture. And that's a big difference. Vaseline helps prevent constant moisture loss, temporarily soften the look of fine lines, protect a weakened skin barrier, reduce that thin, papery feeling, make hands look instantly smoother and fuller. Aging hands don't just need softness, they need containment. They need something that says, We're not letting this hydration escape anymore. And that's exactly what Vaseline does. It creates a shield, not a heavy, greasy, suffocating one, a smart one, a protective one. So your skin can finally stop fighting the air, the soap, the water, the cold, the sun, and start focusing on repair. That's the difference. And that's why this ingredient matters so much more than people realize. Why this combo works: olive oil and Vaseline. On their own, olive oil and Vaseline are helpful. They both do something good for the skin, but together they become something completely different. They become a full repair system. Olive oil feeds the skin. Vaseline protects the skin. One gives, one guards, and aging skin needs both. Because here is what most people do. They moisturize and hope for the best. They apply something softening and expect it to last. But aging skin does not just need softness. It needs the ability to hold onto that softness. If you only use olive oil, your skin feels amazing at first. It gets flexible. It gets comfortable. It gets that instant smooth feeling. But then an hour or two later, that softness starts to disappear because nothing locked it in. If you only use Vaseline, your skin is sealed, but sealed with nothing nourishing underneath. So you are protecting dryness, not repairing it. That is why this mix works. Olive oil sinks into the skin and tells it, you are safe. You are supported. You do not need to stay tight and tense. Then Vaseline comes on top and says, we are keeping it that way. This is what your hands slowly lose with age. Not just moisture, not just softness. They lose retention. They lose their ability to hold onto what they are given. That is why you can apply cream after cream and still feel dry, and still look rough, and still feel tight. Your skin is not ungrateful. It is just leaking what you give it. This combo changes that. It does not just soften your hands. It teaches them how to stay soft longer. That is why people start noticing real changes, not just temporary ones. Smoother texture, less roughness, less cracking, fewer visible lines, more bounce, a healthier look overall. Not because it is magic, not because it is trendy, but because it makes biological sense. You are feeding the skin. Then you are protecting what you fed it. That is how real repair happens. Not with 10 products, not with complicated routines, not with expensive labels, with simple logic, support and seal. That is it. How to use it for maximum smoothness. This is important. More product does not mean better results. With this combo, less is more. Here's how to do it the right way. Start with clean hands. Slightly damp is even better. Why? Because hydration should already be on your skin before you seal it in. Now take a few drops of olive oil, a tiny amount of Vaseline, like a pea-sized blob. Mix them between your fingers, then massage it into your hands slowly. Not rushed, not sloppy. Pay attention to knuckles, cuticles, the backs of your hands, anywhere that looks thin or wrinkly. This is where aging shows first. Once it's absorbed, stop. Don't overdo it. Then, if you can, put on cotton gloves or socks over your hands and leave it overnight. While you sleep, your skin repairs. And this combo gives it the perfect environment to do that. By morning, your hands won't just feel softer. They'll feel calmer, plumper, more flexible, less tight, less rough. And if you use this consistently, not once, not twice, but as a habit, you'll notice your hands starting to look younger, not just smoother, because you're not masking dryness anymore. You're fixing the reason it keeps coming back. So no, your hands are not just aging. They are not broken. They are not failing. They are not beyond help. They are simply losing moisture faster than they can hold onto it. That is the real issue. Not age, not genetics, not that you did something wrong, just loss of retention. And once you understand that, your whole mindset changes. You stop panicking. You stop buying random products. You stop scrubbing your hands like they owe you money. You stop thinking your skin is the enemy, and you start treating it like something that needs support. Because skin does not misbehave for no reason. It reacts to how it is treated. Olive oil feeds your skin. Vaseline protects what you feed it. One nourishes. One shields. That is the system. Not complicated. Not trendy. Not overhyped. Not expensive. Just logical. And logical is what aging skin responds to best. If your hands have been looking rough lately, if they feel thin, if they look tired, if they do not bounce back the way they used to, this is not a coincidence. This is your sign, not to panic, not to overdo, but to finally support them properly. Try it tonight, not next week, not when you remember, not when you finish your current cream. Tonight. And if you want more simple skin tips that actually make sense, tips that do not shame you, tips that do not overwhelm you, tips that respect how skin actually works, follow me, because aging skin does not need punishment. It needs patience. It needs consistency. It needs understanding. And I have got you.